Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances, and I'm going to show you how to measure for a new wall oven. So what we have is we've got a built-in double oven. There's four key things that we want. We want to know what the left to right dimension is, so we want you to go from left all the way to right and give us what that measurement is. We want to know what the top to bottom dimension is, so from the very top trim all the way down to the very bottom trim. We're also going to want to know the overall width of the cabinet. So this one would be from the far edge of this cabinet here all the way to the far right edge. And then the last measurement, or the fourth thing we really want, is the distance between the top of our oven and just below the cabinet doors above, if you have cabinet doors. So we're going to go ahead and illustrate these one by one. So I'm going to go ahead and put my tape on the far left side of the oven, and I'm going to go to the far right side. And what we'll see is this is almost a 30-inch oven. So this would be considered a 30-inch wall oven. And then I'm going to go ahead and measure from top to bottom. And in this case, this particular unit is going to be a 50-inch high oven. Next, I'm going to measure the overall width of the cabinet. So if I go from left to right, this particular cabinet is going to measure about a 31.5. And the last measurement we're going to want is the measurement between the bottom of our doors above, if you have them, and the oven below. So this one is going to measure 2 1/16. So we'll say 2 inches for all intents and purposes, just to have a little bit of a gap there so that the door's open. Be sure to call us at any of our 9 locations, visit us at any of our 9 locations, or go to donsappliances.com.